What if I told you that one of these 10 ideas could completely change your income by this time next year? The best part? Most of them don't require a huge investment. Let's get started. Money-making idea number 1. Freelancing. If you can write, design, edit videos, or manage social media, you already have a skill people will pay for. Start with one service, build a few reviews, and grow from there. Number 2. Print on demand. Create simple t-shirt, mug, or hoodie designs and sell them online. You don't need to buy inventory. Products are printed only after someone places an order. Number 3. Start a YouTube channel. You don't have to show your face. Educational videos, finance, AI, and productivity content are in high demand. Income can come from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products you genuinely like. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. The key is building trust, not just posting links. Number 5. Sell digital products. Templates, planners, ebooks, and printable files can be sold over and over again. Create it once and keep earning from future sales. Number 6. AI-powered services. Use AI tools to help businesses write content, create images, or edit videos faster. Companies pay for results, not the tool you use. Number 7. Online tutoring. If you're good at math, English, coding, or another subject, teach students online. You can start with just a laptop and a stable internet connection. Number 8. Stock photography or video. Take high-quality photos or videos and upload them to stock websites. Every download can earn you passive income. Number 9. Create an online course. If you know how to do something well, teach it. People are willing to pay to learn skills that save time or help them earn more money. Number 10. Build a small online business. Find a problem people have and sell a simple solution. It could be a service, a digital product, or a physical product. Small businesses often grow into multiple income streams. Here's the truth. Most people spend years looking for the perfect way to make money. Successful people simply pick one idea, stay consistent, and improve every week. So, which of these 10 ideas would you start today? Comment your answer below. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss practical money-making strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.